going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today, and we need to snake out a kitchen sink. I just stood in line for about a half an hour to get on the elevators, because they got 4 elevators, but 2 of them are down. So we're going to 1822. Hopefully somebody's home. It's a plumber. Kitchen sink? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. You gonna be able to stay there? What's happening? Sink backing up?
It's time to put the elevator. Sorry.
So what's happening?
It's blocked right now.
It's blocked right now?
Yeah, already blocked.
Okay, no problem.
And on the pipe, there's like a little leak right there, so we clear out everything.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
All right. You got a garbage?
Right there.
Oh, thank you.
Sides moving now?
What's that?
Is both sides moving?
Yeah, it's all connected. See, this water comes here, and then it goes down. It's all connected.
What's happening? Is there like a huge fog going on?
That came out of the drain.
Oh.
Yeah, so. When that comes out, that means it went down. Alright, so just be cautious of what's going down your drains. Keep your hot water on for about a half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah. More than welcome.
Sir?
No, I'm good, thank you. Yeah, I'm good, thank you though. You guys have a good day. Thank you. Bye now. Alright, so there you guys go. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.